very true.
Well, it's a pretty nice morning out there, especially in the northern mountains where we're seeing just a few clouds left over this morning, making for a gorgeous sunrise, though, once again around the Sangre de Cristo Mountains in Taos this morning. We do have some spotty shower activity in far northeastern New Mexico as a cold front begins moving in this morning, and that cold front will trigger more storms later on this afternoon. Once we get the sunshine and the daytime heating, we'll see more storms around the northern mountains into northeastern New Mexico, and then some spotty showers around Clovis and Portales this morning, and also some spotty showers left over around the Sacramento Mountains. But outside of that, a pretty nice start to your Sunday morning, and temperatures pretty comfortable for this time of the year, starting out at 65 degrees, and our winds are calm, but the winds will be picking up later on this afternoon as that cold front pushes the wind through the canyon later on today. 58 degrees to start in Santa Fe, 61 in Los Alamos, lower 70s, warmer in Roswell right now. You're at 71, 68 in Alamogordo, and 63 as you step out the door in TRC. A wider view of what's going on. We had a lot of action late on your Saturday afternoon into the evening hours, especially around the northern mountains here in Albuquerque and Rio Rancho. Some areas of the metro getting more than 3/10 of an inch of rain last night, and then some activity around the southwest corner of New Mexico. But most of the action has come to an end, but we'll see storms refiring later on today. So to start, we're going to see the sunshine mixing in with the clouds around lunchtime into dinner time. That's when we'll see those scattered storms around the northern mountains into the northeast. Periods of heavy rain, so flooding a concern. And then as we head into your Monday, still enough moisture and energy in place to spark more hit or miss storms for central and western New Mexico. By Tuesday and Wednesday, an area of high pressure is going to sit right on top of New Mexico. So what that means for us is basically the storm chances will be pushed farther to the west and around the northern mountains into southern Colorado. So we'll have off and on showers and thunderstorms, but if we are going to see any rain here in Albuquerque and Santa Fe, more than likely later on today and also on your Monday. Over to southern Colorado for today, temperatures climbing into the middle to upper 80s to near 90 degrees with a slight chance for a few spotty storms here. A better shot for rain in Durango on Monday and Tuesday with highs in the low to mid 80s. Over to Four Corners, kind of like yesterday, you're going to be drier, you're going to be hotter here. Temperatures climbing into lower 90s in Farmington, 88 in Gallup, 84 and Grants. Only a slight chance for an isolated storm, basically around the higher terrain in the northwest. And then over to the southwest, we had some active weather yesterday afternoon. Another round likely today, especially around lunchtime as we get those storms firing around the Gila. Temperatures into the upper 80s in Glenwood, 89 in TRC, lower 90s in Deming and Las Cruces. And then over to Roswell and Carlsbad, temperatures here into the 90s once again with a slight chance for a few storms, especially around the Sacramento Mountains for folks in Ruidoso and Cloudcroft. And then over to the northeast with that cold front moving through, we'll see widespread thunderstorm activity, periods of heavy rain, temperatures into the middle 70s in Mora, 84 in Santa Rosa, 80 degrees in Raton, and 81 for a high in Springer. And then over to the northern mountains, we could have more storms this afternoon. And also for your Monday and Tuesday in Santa Fe, temperatures into the upper 70s. And then over to the east mountains, we'll break into low to mid 80s, 84 in Tejeras, 85 in Edgewood, 80 degrees in both Estancia and Moriarty. And over to the metro, topping out in the middle to upper 80s, lower 90s in Rio Rancho. We'll have a pretty good shot for maybe some storms tomorrow as well. And then just some isolated spotty stuff on Tuesday and Wednesday. But the monsoon season continues to deliver some rain to the metro.
Yeah, a lot of rain in those graphics we see there.
I know, it's not going away just yet.
Yeah. Well, we hope it sticks away.